welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Maris. Please don't make it your last. Subscribe and join the family. I can't believe that it's December already. Like, we're already at the end of the year, and it has been a very long, not actually long, but days when I was going through it, it seemed like the longest year ever. But finally, it's coming to an end, and I'm so excited. I like the feeling of a new year. There's something about it. Maybe it's the Hamatan trees. I don't know, but it just gets me in good spirits. After my birth month, that's May, December is by far my favorite month of the year. So today, I'm going to be doing I'm going for maintenance. Anyways, I'm going to get my lashes done and also to get my hair done and just get, the whole new month vibe. I already did my nails. I already did my toenails as well, but today lashes because it's Saturday and I have time, and I'm also going to do my hair because I have a birthday party, like I mentioned in my last vlog. It's like a 60th, so I want to get my hair done so I look cute. And then next week Friday is my baby girl's birthday, Tracy's birthday, so hopefully the hair lasts till then. Because anyways, so that's what I'm going to do today. I'm already dressed, and my outfit, I don't know, I think I'll do a full outfit check later in the vlog. So I will also, what else was I going to say? Yes, I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as usual. And if you're enjoying my vlog so far, I feel like I'm getting over being shy in front of the camera. It's not like I have thousands of eyes, but I appreciate the likes, the comments, and I think we're 80 something now. I appreciate every one of you for watching and subscribing. I'm very introverted, so doing this is pushing myself to do something out of my comfort zone. I'm going to be vlogging this weekend and hopefully next week. See you guys when I'm done with my lashes. Hopefully, oh my god, before I go, you guys, before I could book this lash tech, my lash tech she's doing me wrong. How? I tried to make a reservation since Monday, and she told me that the whole week is booked. How? And then I don't even have a reservation. I don't even have an appointment now. I'm just going there just in case anybody missed the appointment. They'll just fill me in, and that's happening. It's just so funny. But she's the only person that gets my lashes. I mean, they are the only lash place that gets my lashes right. The other place, I don't know, they're now charging 50k for lashes, and I don't know about that one. They're equally good, but 50k, it better not come out of my lashes for life. It should just be there, like the one God has given me. Anyways, so I hope I get a seat, and if I don't, that means I'll have to just use lashes again. Really nice dress from Miss K. One thing about me, if the neckline is like this, I'm sold. You don't have to say anything. Make it in prints, make it in different colors. Maris is sold. It's cute. Anyways, so I'm heading out now. See you guys soon.
Until the night is over, I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side.
Good morning, my loves. It's currently Sunday. I just even realized that I did not show you guys my hair when I was done, and that's because I literally spent the whole day there. I was there from 3:30 to 8:30 or 9, and then there were no cabs and there was traffic and I got home late. Bruh, it wasn't easy. But anyways, there was just a lot of annoying things going on with my weave because of the person that did my frontal, ventilated my frontal, and that pissed me off and put me in a really bad mood. And then I just got home really late and I was so tired to pick up my camera and show my hair. But maybe when I'm done with my makeup, you can see like the whole thing. I don't know. I think this will be like my last frontal install, or I'll just get another frontal because this one is stressing me out. Like I note to self, like if you find a good like frontal, a good service provider, just stick with that person. Not like these people don't know their work, but like I don't know, it's just a lot. It's not giving what like the initial one I had like on my birthday. I like that one, but this one is just giving too I don't know, it's just me. Everybody else says it's cute, but just my eyes, I guess. So I'm going to, I didn't go to church today. Sorry mom, sorry God. And because I was so tired and all of that, that's not an excuse, but I feel bad for not going. I don't want to make it an habit. Is it an habit? I don't want to make it a habit. Jesus Christ. Not me shelling on Obasanjo's internet, but I don't want to make it a habit. That would be a bad habit. But then, so I'm going to shower now and run some errands to get some groceries, come back, make breakfast, and then get ready to where I'm going, to the party rather. I don't know, but every time like it's the day of an event or an engagement I had signed up to, it's just like, why did I even say yes, I will go? Because now I'm so tired. Everything, like my outfit is not part of the outfit I got. Like I told you guys earlier, it's not part of the color code. It's black because I didn't get the invite on time, and I'm going to be looking like different. Maybe somebody will wear it and make me feel, I don't know, but I just wanted to be on theme. So I couldn't get the dress because by the time I had finished with my hair, the boutique was closed. They didn't reply my DMs. It's like, just save your money, I guess. But that's about it. Let me get ready, go make breakfast, run errands, make breakfast so I won't be late. And I still have like work tomorrow. I have an appearance in court again. Yay me, I guess. So I have an appearance in court tomorrow and I have to like prepare and read and just make sure that I'm ready for that. That's it. So I'll see you guys when I'm doing my makeup. Yeah. Bye. Rexy.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care much you knew me in the past tense. I ain't no Julia Styles, this ain't no last dance. We pass it. Wait.
So guys, I'm done with my makeup now. And I love it. But the hair is still stressing me out. I don't know, I'll show you the full fit later. And yeah, she's cute. You ready? 2 minutes.
I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never.
This one I got. I know that
Hi my loves, so I'm finally back home now after the event, and it was so beautiful. Happiest birthday to the celebrant, and I'm so tired. Tomorrow is Monday. Only God will give me strength for this week that I'm about to enter. But anyways, my makeup, I really love the eyes. I think she did a really good job. I don't want to take it off. This thing about makeup, it's not just like the money you spent, but like if I woke up like this tomorrow with shiny eyes, would it be bad? No. Anyways, I loved everything at the end of the day, except my hair shot still bugging me, and I will still fight all my hair people. So I'm going to take off my makeup now. Then go to bed and prepare for the week. I hope you guys have a great week as well. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting and subscribing. We're almost at 100. Yay! And if you're watching this and you're not convinced yet as to why you should subscribe to AccordingtoMarise, I don't know what to tell you, but December is going to be lit, and 2024, by God's grace, is going to be more lit for the both of us, you and I, gorgeous. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. That will be my cousin's, my sister's birthday, and it's going to be fun. So if you want to see more content like this, Detty December is fully in session. So if you want to keep up with all my Detty December bands, then subscribe, share, let people know about this channel. Okay, all right, see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.